Okay, so when I'm simplifying this problem, 6 over the square root of 14, why can't I just go ahead and multiply the denominator by the square root of 14? The reason is that would change the value of the problem. I want you to look at this sparkly rainbow number I have here, square root of 14 over square root of 14. What number is that really? This is just 1. So multiplying, I like to call it 1 in disguise. So when I multiply 6 times the square root of 14, I get 6 square root of 14. When I multiply square root of 14 times square root of 14, it's going to simplify to just be 14. So then, am I done? No, because if I look at the numbers outside my radical, 6 and 14, that can be simplified. So 6 over 14 simplifies to 3 over 7. I still have the square root of 14 here. Remember with my division rule, I can't simplify this 14 and this 7 because one's in a radical and one isn't. So they can't be divided. Okay, I'm going to do one more. So let's look at the square root of 14 over the square root of 32. So of course I want to rationalize this. I could start by multiplying by radical 32 over radical 32. Or I might recognize that in this case, these are both under radicals, and I could use my division rule. So 14 over 32 simplifies to be 7 over 16. So if I put this back into radicals, I have radical 7 over radical 16. And look, I don't have to rationalize anymore. I just have radical 7 over 4. So make sure when you're rationalizing the denominator that you're remembering your multiplication and division rules and seeing if those can help you as well.